older. I'm Tama. Tama!
Māia. I'm Jojo. Welcome to our whare. Mōhio, mihi atu?
Tēnā koutou. My name is Mōhio, and today we're learning about letters.
Kia ora e te whānau. My name is Oma.
And I am Wolfy. Oh, what did we miss? What are we learning about today?
Today we're learning about letters.
Oh, woohoo! Woohoo! Mōhio, what are letters?
Letters are symbols that represent sounds, and when you put them together, they form words and names.
Oh, names like Wolfy.
And names like Oma. Well, come on then. Let's learn about letters.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, yeah. Let's kani.
Yay!
A is for apple. 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 A, apple. D is for dog. 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 D, dog. E is for egg. Egg. E, egg. H is for hat. Hat. H, hat. J is for jelly. 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 J, jelly.
L is for ladybug. 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 L, ladybug. M is for monkey. 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 M, monkey. N is for nose. Nose. N, nose. O is for orange. 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 O, orange.
Q is for queen. Queen. Q, queen. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. R, rainbow. T is for tiger. Tiger. T, tiger. U's for umbrella. Umbrella. U, umbrella. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. Y, yogurt. Z is for zebra. Zebra. Z, zebra.
Oh, that looks cool.
Tama and I are practicing our R sounds. R for robot.
Ooh, R for rabbit.
And R for recycling.
Ooh, that's a good one, Māia. Hey, we are recycling these bottles and reusing them for our craft project.
We're making rocket packs. So far, we've got these 2 yellow flames on this rocket pack, and we were just about to cut some for this rocket pack. Let's do it.
What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
Perfect. Okay, let's just pop one on each.
Whoa, that's awesome, Māia.
Let's put them on. Your turn.
Okay.
We're ready for takeoff.
Māia, we are go.
Okay. In toru.
3,
Rua.
2,
Tahi.
1. Blast
A, what's a word that starts with A? A, have a think, what would you say? A, what's a word that starts with A? Airplane, fly like an airplane round the room, fly like an airplane round the room, fly like an airplane round the room, fly like an airplane round the room. E, what's a word that starts with E? E, have a think, now let me see. E, what's a word that starts with E? Elephant. Walk like an elephant, swing your trunk. 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 I, what's a word that starts with I? I, have a think, what can we try? I, what's a word that starts with I? Insect. Crawl like an insect around the room. 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 Oh, what's a word that starts with O? Oh, have a think, what do you know? Oh, what's a word that starts with O? Octopus! Sway like an octopus, wave your arms. 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 You, what's a word that starts with you? You, have a think, what could we do? You, what's a word that starts with you? Up! Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high. Point to the sky and jump up high.
Oh, didn't see you there, whānau. It's me, Bugs the Cuz, back on another amazing adventure. Oh, today I got my rākau with me, and we're going to go draw some stuff into the sand. Hoake! Ooh, we're almost done. Ka pai, mangopare. What am I going to draw now? I know, I'm going to draw an animal. Can you guess which animal it is? This one has a song with it too. Check this out. Little circle, big circle. Little circle, big circle. Half circle, big circle. W, W, E, E, E. Ka pai, can you guess what it is? It's a little pig. Check this out, whānau. Hoop. 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 Ha. Yeah. Oh, what else am I going to draw? I know, I can draw my name. Let's try that. Okay, cool, let's get into it. All right, what's my name? What is my name? Oh, Buzz. Okay, cool. So Buzz, what does Buzz start with? A B sound. B. What letter makes the B sound? B. Okay, B for butterfly. Cool, and then we need Buzz, B-Uz, Buzz. A U for unicorn. And then a Z for zebra. And then we need another Z for Z. Buzz! Cool, ka pai. Oh, it's been so much fun today, whānau. See you next time. Ka kite.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q-R-S T-U-V W-X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Knock, knock.
Did you hear that?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Stopwatch.
Stopwatch? Stopwatch who?
Stop what you're doing, because Buzz is here. Woo! B for Buzz and B for bee. And that's me, Buzzy the bee. Buzz the Buzzy bee.
You look wonderful, Buzz.
Yeah. I have here a bag of bees.
Oh, be careful, Buzz. They might sting you.
Not that kind of bees, like the letter B, you know? Like I have a bag of toys that start with the letter B. I have a ball.
Oh, B for ball.
I have a bat.
Oh, B for bat.
Aye. And mate. And I have your favourite. B for...
Oh, book!
Aye!
Yes! Check it out.
And mate.
Well, should we read the book together, Buzz?
I thought you might say that.
Kia ora tamariki mā, I'm Aunty Anika and I'm tidying my bedroom. First, I make my bed. Oh, here we go. I love making my bed, it's so much fun. Hi, Teddy. Hi. Right, I'll put the blanket like that. All neat and tidy. What next? Oh, Oh, sorry, monkey. I fell on you. Sorry. It's all right. Oh, that's right. I've got to put away my toys. Right, let's do that now. Okay. Hello. There you go. Hi. Okay, go to bed now. There, nice and tidy. Ready for my day. Kia pai tō rā e hoa mā.
Okay, you can look now, Oma. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Ready for what?
There are 3 items in front of you. Tahi, rua, toru. See?
Oh, yes, a hat, an umbrella, and a glove.
That's right. Now you need to search around the craft room to see some letters.
Oh, it's a letter hunt! I love searching for letters.
Good luck, Oma.
I found one, Wolfy!
Good job, Oma. What have you found?
It's the letter G.
And what sound does the letter G make?
The sound that the letter G makes is ga, ga, ga. So which one of these things starts with the sound ga? Hat. Oh, no, that's not it. Gumbrella. Oh, no. Glove. Oh, the word glove starts with the letter G.
That's right, Oma. Good job.
Hey, Mōhio,
Tēnā koe, Tama. How can I help you?
I was just thinking that we both have Māori names.
Kei te tika tae, that's right.
Oh,
Mōhio and Tama are Māori names.
so if our names are in the Māori language, then that means we must have a different alphabet. And that some letters will make different sounds?
Right again. In English, A makes an A sound. A for apple or A for ant. In Te Reo Māori, A makes an A sound. Aporo or arani.
A, apple, A, aporo.
The same letters make different sounds in different languages.
Oh, I love letters. They make different sounds, different words, and different names.
And Each language has its own alphabet too.
I wonder if Aunty Anika knows a waiata about the Māori alphabet.
She sure does. It's one of our favourites.
Oh, great! Whakarongo mai.
Titiro, we've got a new video message from Lola. I wonder what she's going to show us today.
Hi guys! When I was smaller, I really loved the Gruffalo's Child. And we're going on a bear hunt. But now I really love Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I really love reading stories and writing stories because it's really fun to keep your imagination on key. Today I'm writing a card to my best friend, Violet. Violet starts with the letter V. Happy starts with the letter H. Lola. Lola. My card says, happy birthday to Violet. You are awesome. From Lola. XO, which means kiss, hug. VIOLET. Bye!
Kia ora, everyone. We were just about to sing our Phonics song, but this time in Te Reo Māori. Now, some letters sound a little bit different in Te Reo Māori, so see if you can pick them. A is for aporo, 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 aporo. E is for enoho, 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 enoho. H is for hangi, 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 hangi. E is for iwi, 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 iwi. K is for kai, 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 kai. Me is for mama, 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 mama. Ne is for noke, 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 noke. O is for ono, 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 ono. P is for peppy, 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 peppy. R is for reta, reta, reta. T is for tui, tui, tui. U is for upoko, 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 upoko. We is for waiata, 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 waiata. Nge is for ngeru, 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 ngeru. F is for whānau, 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 whānau. Kia ora, ko te wā pūrākau tēnei, and we just love
Story time!
Sad door. Let's brighten up this sad door, says Nico and Jade's mum. Let's paint it bright yellow. Nico spies Mum's toolbox, complete with hammer and nails. Jade is given a paintbrush and a little yellow test pot. Nico is given some Play-Doh. Nico wants the hammer and the nails now. Nico knows how to nail and hammer. He did it once with Grandad. Hammer, says Nico again. Right, says their mum, running inside. With her gone, Nico takes the toolbox so fast that no one sees. Nico then picks up a nail and, like Grandad did, bangs the nail into the door. And then a second nail. Eyes, thinks Nico. Then a third nail. Now the heart has a nose. There you are, Nico. You scared me half to... Her mouth drops open. Oh, Nico. After dinner, their mum has a talk about drawing or hammering on walls, doors, or anything at all without asking. Nico can see that Mum looks a little bit sad. The next day, Nico picks his mum some flowers. Nico adds a heart to the envelope. Grandad arrives with his toolbox and a big grin. Nico, he says, would you like to make something with me? Nico jumps up and down. Oh, yes, please.
Haere, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soifua